with me how to create Telegram bot in next 3 minutes. So imagine that any of your students ask a question on Telegram. What will I learn in my digital marketing course? As soon as the student is going to send this question on my Telegram group, automatically a bot has replied to the query. In the digital marketing course, you learn how to promote a brand, product, service, business online using different digital channels. And you can see this is the detailed reply right here. Let me ask another question. What will I learn in my editing course? So this is my another question, and you will see within few seconds a bot is going to give the reply as well. In the beginners editing course, you learn how to edit videos from basics even if you're starting from zero. And this is the entire reply. So now you can also create this Telegram bot that is going to reply to all the questions automatically without need of any technical coding and programming skills with the help of this setup. So stay tuned till the end to learn how to create this bot. To create a bot just like this, you need an automation tool, and I'm using Pabbly Connect in the video. To start with Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page. If you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the free tasks, you can create this setup with me right away, absolutely for free. I have already created this setup. Now, if you want the workflow that I have on the screen, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section below. Now, one by one, let's learn about each steps of this workflow. First is Telegram bot, set webhook, watch updates. Now, I want that as soon as a message has been forwarded on my Telegram group, automatically my trigger captures the response of that. So that is why I've selected both of the details right here. To create the connection, go to connected option, go to add new connection. You need to provide the token. To have the token, you have to open the bot father of your Telegram account. In the bot father, start the bot father from here. Select this new bot option. Name the bot right over here. Then give the username, and you will see the bot like this is going to be created. This is the token, copied from here, paste it down in the field and create the connection. Likewise, I've already created the connection. After this bot is created, open this bot from the link, start this bot just like this. This bot will be activated, and add this bot as an admin into the group where the students are sending the messages towards you. You can see I've added this bot as an admin. You can do it from your mobile phone. It's possible from there only. Now, whenever a message is going to be forwarded in the group by the student, it will be captured just like this as a response. You will see I'll refresh this field over here. This is the last response that was captured, and you can see right over here, this was the last message I forwarded. What will I learn in editing course? You can see it's right over here. Just like that, the update ID, other details will be captured over here in the trigger. This will mean Telegram bot is connected to Pabbly Connect if you will receive a response like this. Now, what is my trigger? Set webhook, watch updates. If there will be any updates occurring inside my Telegram bot, the response will be captured. I want that only when the message is captured, then only this workflow should be further executed, because then my AI is going to generate the reply for the message. So that is where I will add a filter that is going to label that whenever this new text message is going to be captured, is going to exist in the previous response, then only this workflow should be further executed from the filter step right here. Okay, so the status is success, condition is true because the message does exist. After the filter step, I will ask OpenAI ChatGPT to generate the answer for this question. Connect it from here, click on connected option, generate the token from here, which you will find from this API key section of your OpenAI account. Generate the key from here, copy, paste, and save the connection. I have already created the connection from before. After the connection is created, select the AI model that will generate the response, and then enter the prompt. Now, if you want this prompt that I am using, you need to comment the word prompt below in the comment section, and I am going to share you the prompt that I'm using so that you will get a structure. Okay, over here in the prompt, I have mapped the data of the message that is received in the previous Telegram step. How mapping works is wherever you want to map the data, you have to add a slash. Previous step will appear. In the previous step, you have received the message, selected from the previous response, and the data is mapped. It will be updated whenever the new message is received. Okay, now over here I have mapped the data and I have received the reply also. Okay, so this is the question, what will I learn in editing course? Click on the save and send test request button, and you will see right over here, this is the response that I have received in the editing course. You can see see I have received the detailed reply. Okay, after I've received the reply, I've sent the message back using Telegram bot, send a text or reply. Add the chat ID is on the URL. So this is the group, I've opened it. In the URL, after the hash, this is the chat ID, copy and paste it right here. Map the date of the reply and map the date of the reply ID so that this kind of a reply message is going to be forwarded. So that is why I've mapped the date of the message ID over here. I have disabled notification, disabled web preview page, allow sending without reply, protect content. I've disabled everything. Parcel mode is going to be HTML. Clicked on the save and send test request button. I have received a reply just like this. If I'm going to click on this button again, you will see I've received a response with true as the status, and you can see another reply has been forwarded on my group. So this is how you create a Telegram bot with the help of OpenAI in just 3 minutes. I've explained to you the entire setup. Now if you want to learn this amazing setup in brief, you can check out the video link I've added in the description section below. So this was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubts, comments in the comment section below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.